So, dear students, today we are going to discuss all about the questions which are related to complex. ठीक है? Complex means अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या discuss किया? When we have two numbers to add, when we have two numbers to subtract, or we have two numbers only to deal with, whether they are two same positive integer or they are one positive, one negative. But today we will be discussing about where we have so many numbers and we have to solve it. Okay, so in that case what we will do, let's understand this. Suppose the first question, if you will find, we have three numbers, -50, -20 and 75. If you have more than two numbers, always remember, make the group of numbers. Group of number means do always take all the same sign together and different sign together. For example, suppose the question is like this. So how will we solve first one? -50 and -20 both are with same sign. So we will keep it here. And another one is 75, that is positive one. So we will keep it separate. Now you are knowing -50 and -20 both are same integer. Same integer means both are -1. So -1 means they will be added and answer will be coming -70. Okay. And another one, if you will find, that is +75. So one is positive, one is negative. If you will subtract both, the answer will be +5. Why +5? एक negative था बेटा, एक positive था. It means both will subtract each other, and after subtracting, the sign will be of greater number. So greater number कौन सा था हमारे पास? 75. So the sign will be of +5. I can see in the chat box many students have written, ma'am, the answer will be +5. So your first answer is correct. And if your first answer is correct, give yourself 10 marks for first question. Okay, on your fair copy. Now let's match our second question, whether you have done it correct or not. So the second question which I gave you was -25, -35, +60, -70. So इसमें भी क्या करेंगे बेटा? We will group the number. Group the number in the sense we will take all the negative one side, all the positive one side. So what we will do here, -25, -35 plus -70 will come together and 60 will be separated because 60 is alone here, which is positive. Okay, now you can see here it is -25 -35 will give you, after addition they will give you here 60. Okay, -60 बेटा. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा -60 और एक क्या है आपके पास नंबर -70. तो दोनों को आप जब सॉल्व करोगे you will get it -130. Please note it down on your fair copy. Please note it down on your fair copy. So -130 we have got. -130 when you are solving all the negative one side, and now we have only 60 left. So now again the question comes, one positive, one negative. एक बच गया positive बेटा, एक बच गया negative. So बेटा जब positive आ गया और एक negative आ गया, that means they will subtract, and after subtracting you will get it simply -70. इस क्वेश्चन को एक और प्रोसेस से किया जा सकता है. इस क्वेश्चन को एक और प्रोसेस से किया जा सकता है. कैसे किया जा सकता है बेटा? Now remember, if you will see -25, -35, both will be added together and give you -60. ठीक है, तो ये आपको देगा -60 और यहाँ पर एक 60 पॉजिटिव वाला पहले से था. तो आपको पता है कि एक पॉजिटिव 60 added to -60 will be giving you 0 only. ठीक है, दोनों के दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे and give you 0. So answer will be -70 left. So you can do it in any of the process. So if this question is correct, give yourself 10 marks. The process can be different, but the answer will remain same. The process can be different, but the answer will remain same. So you have got 20 marks if you have done both the questions correct. Okay. Now let's move on to the last question, that was the third one. Third question which I gave you was -20, -30 and +70. Again the same process. Same process means you have to do it all the negative together. All the negative together means it is already written together. So -20, -30 will be added together and give you -50. -20 and -30 will be coming together, will give you -50. And -50 and 70 will come together. Both are of different sign. दोनों subtract हो जाएंगे बेटा. And दोनों को subtract करने के बाद आंसर आएगा 20. 70 is a greater number, so the sign will be of positive. So either you write +20 or you write simple 20. Both are fine. And if your answer is right, you give yourself 10 marks. Okay, and please write it down your current score in the chat box. If your answer is right, 30 out of 30. If your answer is wrong, the answers you match it and give it to me your score in the chat box, please. So I have got many of you the answers. I have got it from many of you, and I hope the answers are right also. Many of you have done it absolutely correct answer. The question which was given by me was -150 +75 -200 -50 +325. बेटा आपके पास कितने सारे डिजिट्स आ जाएं? You have so many digits. Simple method. Take all positive together. Take all negative together. ठीक है? So if you take all positive together, you will have 75. You have only 325. You have only two positive. 75 and 325. So I kept it like this. Same thing. Let us keep all negative one side. So negative में क्या क्या है बेटा हमारे पास? -150 है, -200 is there, and also we have -50. So I have written all negative one side, all positive one side. So when you have all positive one side, you will be seeing that after adding these two, you will get it 400. Okay? And that opposite side, if you add all these, you will get it -400. और आपने पढ़ा है कि अगर हमारे पास एक नंबर पॉजिटिव हो और अगर वही सेम नंबर आपके पास अगर नेगेटिव में होगा, so you will simply cancel each other and give you 0. That is one process. And the second process is, if you can see here, this is 400 in positive, this is 400 in negative. So one positive, one negative coming together will subtract each other and answer will come whatever the difference will be. So 400 में से बेटा 400 जाएगा तो आंसर आएगा 0, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you don't need to put any sign, not positive, not negative. I hope it is clear to everyone. If your answer is this, give yourself 20 marks. So now, out of 50, how many marks you have got it? Please write it down in the chat box.